Astuti Dewi with NPM 2241171 from class management 22B. I will explain the material on tax legal possession, difference between tax and levies, tax collection recruitment, tax resistance, direct tax and indirect tax. Tax law. Tax law is part of public law that regulate the relationship between the government as tax collector and the community as taxpayers. In the context of Indonesian law, tax are considered as mandatory contributions that are mandatory, regulated by law, and do not receive direct compensation. Next, difference between tax and levy. Number 1, tax is a contribution from the community to the state without direct compensation, used to finance state expenditure. Number 2, distribution is a payment for service or permits granted by the government to the community. Retribution is usually specific and directly related to the service received. Next, tax collection recruitment. Number 1, legal basis must be based on valid law. Number 2, authority can only be carried out by the government in accordance with applicable provision. Number 3, legal certainty. Taxpayers must know their obligation and right clearly. Number 4, justice. Collection must be carried out fairly without discrimination. Next, tax resistance. Tax objection is a mechanism that allows taxpayers to challenge tax decisions that are considered unfair or improper. The following is an explanation of the process and provision related to tax objection in Indonesia. Taxpayers have the right to file objection to tax decisions. This process usually involves Number 1, submission of objection to the Director General of Tax. Number 2, payment of tax is accordance with the provisions before the objection decisions is issued. Number 3, appeal process if the objection is not accepted. Next, direct tax and indirect tax. Direct tax is a tax imposed directly on individual or business entities that have the ability to pay. This tax burden cannot be transferred to another party, so taxpayers must bear it themselves. Number 2, indirect tax are tax imposed on goods or services purchased by consumer. The burden of this tax can be shifted to other party, usually through increased price of good or service. Thank you for your attention, everyone.